Today, we have some incredible leaks about the DJI Air 4, and if these rumors hold, this could be a major step forward for DJI's Air series. With upgrades in design, camera enhancements, and flight capabilities, the Air 4 appears to be a refined and powerful successor. The latest reports suggest that DJI incorporates features from the upcoming Mavic 4, indicating a more advanced and professional-grade drone. While nothing is confirmed, the leaks give us plenty to discuss. Let's dive into everything we know so far. The most significant leak so far comes from Jasper Ellens, a well-known name in the drone community. He recently shared an image of what seems to be a DJI Air 4 prototype in a crashed state. This leaked image provides our first glimpse into DJI's latest project. At first glance, the Air 4 retains some design elements from its predecessor, but there are some striking differences. One of the most notable changes is the presence of two distinct sensors and an LED beacon, features that strongly resemble the rumored Mavic 4. This suggests DJI is moving toward a more unified sensor system across its drone lineup. Now, here's where things get interesting. The front section of the drone appears to have an upgraded LiDAR sensor array. This enhancement could drastically improve obstacle detection and low-light performance, making nighttime flying much more reliable. If true, this would be a significant advantage for pilots who often operate in less-than-ideal lighting conditions. Additionally, structural improvements seem to be in play. The leaked prototype features reinforced arms, which could lead to better stability and increased durability. Great news for drone enthusiasts looking for a more robust flying machine. Another important change is the rumored removal of wide-angle sensors on the front corners. Instead of relying on multiple wide-angle sensors, DJI may focus entirely on LiDAR-based technology. This shift could mean more accurate obstacle detection and enhanced safety, particularly in challenging environments like dense forests or urban areas. While real-world performance remains to be seen, this move suggests that DJI is doubling down on high-precision navigation features. But Jasper Ellens isn't the only source hinting at a new DJI drone. Another well-known leaker, Quadro News, recently shared a cryptic image showing a drone stacked on top of what appears to be the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. While no official confirmation has been given, speculation is running wild. Some believe this mystery drone could be the DJI Air 4, while others suggest it might be the rumored Mini 5. If DJI is actively testing new drones, an official release could be closer than expected. Beyond design, some reliable sources have provided potential specs for the DJI Air 4. One major upgrade could be the introduction of dual 1-inch cameras, significantly boosting image quality and low-light performance. If rumors of a variable aperture prove true, it would give pilots better exposure control, allowing for more cinematic footage. Additionally, the ability to shoot in 4K at high frame rates is expected, possibly with improved dynamic range and richer color depth. There's even speculation that a mechanical shutter might be introduced to minimize motion distortion, a feature professional would certainly appreciate. When it comes to safety, the DJI Air 4 is rumored to include 360-degree obstacle detection powered by LiDAR technology. This would elevate it to one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series. Battery life is another critical area of speculation. Some reports suggest an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes, which would surpass the already impressive 46-minute battery life of the Air 3. If DJI continues improving its OcuSync transmission system, we can also expect better connectivity, longer-range video feeds, and more stable tracking capabilities. Now the big question, when can we expect the DJI Air 4? According to leaks, late 2025 appears to be the most likely timeframe. DJI typically follows a 2-year upgrade cycle for the Air series, and this timeline aligns with their usual strategy. As for pricing, the Air 3 debuted at $1,099, so it's reasonable to assume that the Air 4 will be priced similarly. However, given the potential for high-end features, a slight price increase wouldn't be surprising. If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the drone market. With an upgraded sensor system, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and extended flight time, it could bridge the gap between consumer and professional-grade drones. While these are exciting prospects, it's important to remember that leaks aren't always 100% reliable. DJI has been known to change designs and features before a final release, so it's best to take everything with a grain of salt until we get official confirmation. What do you think about the DJI Air 4 leaks? Do these rumored features make you consider upgrading from the Air 3? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech and drone news. Stay tuned for more from technology in the future.